Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to take a screenshot on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to press the power button along with the volume down button. You should press both at the same time and your phone will take a screenshot. If you tap this option before the screenshot is saved automatically, you can crop the screenshot, write whatever you want on it, make edits, and then tap this button here to save it. When you're on a screen that you can scroll up and down like this, taking a screenshot will unlock this option. If you keep tapping it, it will take an extended screenshot on your phone, okay? I'm gonna exit out of here. All screenshots will be saved here in the photo gallery app. You'll tap on albums and then tap on screenshots, where you'll find all the screenshots from your phone. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.